might need your hand here. So we are shock horror going to take the day off.
We got day off, seriously?
And
yes.
of all the places to go, we are going to shock horror, IKEA. Not for furniture, don't worry. We need to get 4 curtain poles for here. We've only got one of the original that fits.
I'll try and show. Is
there
one
up?
up
We need to put 2 tracks up. One for the patterned fabric that you've seen, and one for the other one that I've bought. So we need to get 4 poles, 8 poles, no,
4 poles,
and however many brackets to get
8.
them up. Because in the new year, I'm going to get started to the curtains. That is going to be my mission for the new year. A lovely job to do in front of the fire. Curtains. Yeah.
That sounds like a horrible job.
It's a nice job.
Is it? What, curtain making?
Yeah, compared to all this other nonsense I've been doing.
Wow, you're too blooming talented.
Typically though, these openings aren't the same. So that was 190.
Well, so that means that's 170 because we've already done it.
The other one's 170. Right,
yes.
Let's have a fun day out.
At IKEA?
Yeah. You're only going for meatballs, aren't you?
I forgot about that. We should do this more often. So we're at IKEA trying to get kitchen ideas. Typical. Did we forget to do our makeup this morning?
Yeah,
We're not supposed to be doing that in here.
No, just a bit of privacy would be nice, you know.
Oh, don't be silly, you're in a shop.
I'm just trying this tap, see if it cracks. This basin.
don't put hot water in it.
Hold on, I might have a quick shower.
I'm glad you said shower, I thought you were going to say something else. So we're still in IKEA hunting around and Carol's now moved in. Oh, what are you cooking?
Never had a back kitchen. It's always been a countrified kitchen or shaker style.
But black is back.
What do you think? Do I look good?
Well, you blend in. I can't see your trousers. How's it look?
We are
black.
thinking maybe a black kitchen. I've seen in a store some black glossy tiles with a gold. Never.
Oh, not gold.
A gold marble fleck through them, and I fell in love with them. So they're what I want on the walls. I'm thinking nice black units with, I don't want cupboards, I want deep drawers. I'm not one for bending down, getting into the cupboards. Deep drawers. And I've just had a vision of work surfaces in a pearl.
Yes, so if anyone's got black kitchen out there, my only concern, I think you mentioned this, Carol, was fingerprints. Is it, you know, it's great to see it in the showroom, but in experience, does it become a problem over time? Sticky fingers everywhere.
I've also seen another colour. Come with me.
See, to me, this is where IKEA is really good. Getting to see a whole choice of colours to see what seems to work or doesn't.
When I was in England, I saw a nice putty coloured kitchen and I instantly thought, oh, yes, that looks nice. So how about a putty coloured unit, a pearl surface, black glossy tiles?
There's a vision to think about, isn't there?
If anyone would like to find a picture of Instagram just like that, they can send it to me.
Can you say that again then? So, putty coloured units, the boards to be, well, we haven't got one here, in pearl, and then black tiles with hints of gold in it.
Yes.
Cool, you've set a challenge for everyone. Now what you found?
I found an island. I think I could put my feet up and pretend I'm on an island.
With the sea around you. God, that'd be nice.
So another option is an island. I'm not keen on them. But what I do fancy is having a great big unit like this on wheels to move around. These don't do it for me, they're too small. I need something
That's
solid.
a dolly trolley. You can't have a dolly trolley.
Something solid like this. Because we've got so many doors. We can put it up against the door when I'm not using it and then move it around as I need it.
There you go.
I like that one.
A movable island.
Nice and solid. And you've got some wheels, I'm sure. So I would like, come this way.
Oh.
I would like something similar to this system.
Very similar?
In the kitchen. And the black. And look, they've got gold on the inside to pick out the gold in the
That's
tile.
the reason you saw it?
No, I had to cut over here to see it.
Okay.
Can you see? Just look up.
Yeah, but I'm also, look behind that one, there's a gold one. You didn't look at that one, did you?
I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
But I'd like something like that. Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I just remind you our ceilings are 4 metres high? Or plan B would be to buy 3 of these and individually hang them down.
And spray the inside gold.
No, you can foil them. You could foil the inside of that gold.
I'm all gold out.
Gee, we do like a challenge. Cheap price though. Right, so I've just popped down to our local, well, our Mary in the village, and I just thought I'd show you the sort of effort they go to. I think I showed this last year, but different decor this year, but they do make an effort, and this is not just our village, every village in this area. Actually, I wandered down actually to the bar and the church, because the church is impressive. And as our good friend John Sinclair kindly sent me some money, I feel the pub is in order. A bit of football, so I'm going to wander down that way and show you. Plenty of LED over at this place. I don't know if it's obvious to see, but there we go. Well, there's not many children you see in our village actually, which is where that's geared for. But we do have a young children's school opposite us, actually opposite the chateau. As I said, yeah, they do make an effort. And I mean, some of the villages around here, Chateau, they go really overboard. I mean, it's really impressive. But unfortunately, we haven't had a chance to pop down there because it's too cold. Well, I wander down to the church now. Wow. Never knew it was that loud when you're that close. But yeah, great fun. Well, hi everyone. I'm hoping Beth put a message out last night, just say that we decided to join the rest of the UK and go on strike and down tools. So we just basically want to put a message out to everyone and your friends and your family to say,
we hope you have a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
And if we don't speak to you next week, have a great New Year. Happy New Year.
We've got a special announcement, well, not an announcement, a special song for you, sung by our Santa's helper.
So enjoy, and hopefully we'll see you next week.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your King. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Merry Christmas, everyone.
Now we have a special message, especially for the viewers, from Valerie and Alf.
Hi everybody, it's Val and Alf here in England. We wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
And maybe we'll see you all again when we're over in the Chateau in France doing some more gardening. Bye for now.
Bye everybody.